I could go. All right. So those of you that have or don't have, this is a crossbar extension. This is like a rod. So the main reason for this, if those of you that have the tall uprights, the 8-14s, whatever case may be, and you have a difficulty in getting your crossbar into the upright, that's what these for. So you really would be on the ground, put your crossbar, put it here, and then you would just take it and hook it into the upright, right? Okay. But let's just say someone like Miss Rosie has her fabric falling off, right? Another good reason to have this is to just get it back up there where it should be. So that's why I was telling you guys, pin it, because when you lift it, it'll slide right on off. But if you had one of these little handy dandy suckers, you'd be good to go. Crossbar extension. Not yet. I think they're getting them maybe in a month or so, but right now they don't. I know Pipe and Drape online carry them. I believe Georgia Expo carry them. And for right now, that's all I know. Okay. But these are very handy. Very handy. Yes, ma'am. So the end, you should have pinned it with a straight pin, a pearl tip pin, just so you wouldn't have had it slide off. All right, but I'm going to help you raise this.